Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see what I'm getting inside this Diner Series 3 Miniverse. Okay, I still need probably 5 or 6 of these until I have the whole series. Ooh, veggie taco filling. Oh cool. So this is the one that comes with the dinosaur taco stand. He's pretty cool. We have pico de gallo. Also have, there he is, the dinosaur taco holder. That's so cute. Of course you get a table you can build. I have 5,000 of those. Have some taco shells. A little squish there, but that's okay. Then we have, they gave us avocados this time. I think the last time we did tacos we had lettuce, so maybe we don't have that. I'm okay with that though. Probably will make it easier. And the nacho cheese. So that's what it looks like. We're gonna be making cheesy tacos. Let's look at the instructions on the back. Pretty easy. Add the meat. Put the cheese and the avocados on top, then add some more cheese or resin, and then sprinkle the pico. There should be 2 shells in here, and I'll probably make them one at a time. That way the dinosaur can hold it. These are so cute. And they have a little bit of bend to them, but they're hard. Very realistic for what a taco shell feels like. And I remember this from last time. It's kind of like, yeah, it looks like tiny rocks, but it has resin or something on it. Well, maybe it's not resin, actually. It's not. I don't know what it is. Leave me a comment if you know. I think you can touch it. At least I did in the past. But I'm going to put some in there and pack it down, and then I'll probably put like a light layer of resin over it and cure it, just because I don't want the taco coming out of the shell. That looks pretty good. I don't know that I'll need more than that, because we still have to put resin and the avocados. So let's get this top off. It's funny because I just did the veggie burger that came with ketchup, and this kind of looks like mustard. So let's drizzle. Look how nicely that comes out. I made it kind of thick. You know what, maybe I won't cure that first. I may not need to. Let's take this and smooth it out just so everything's kind of sealed in there in all one piece. There we go. I'm gonna try to work fast though, because it might start dripping. I don't know how many avocados we can put in there, maybe just 2. Like that. Press it so that it's touching. I almost just picked up the ketchup, that would be bad. And then I'm gonna try to do like a zigzag and sprinkle some of the pico on it. That's super cute. I feel like this is way easier than last time. Last time we had the lettuce. Okay, of course some of that probably will come off, but looking very cute. I'm gonna set that outside and make another one. Taco number 2. I like whatever this stuff is. I feel like they should have used, did they use this for the aquarium? I can't remember. I don't think they did. Okay, I think I added the perfect amount of taco meat last time, so I'm gonna try to do the same thing little bit over here, and then I will have a lot left over. Not sure what you can repurpose this for, but I'm sure there is a purpose for it. There's a lot in there. So let's close that. If you have ideas of how to repurpose that, let me know. I follow a Miniverse page on Reddit, and people will share their customizations, and man, are they so creative. Do a really good job at the remixes. I'm trying to put the resin all the way down there to seal everything in. There we go. Now some avocado. Tap that down a little. Add some more resin on top. Try to do a little bit of a zigzag where I just kind of make everything touch in hopes that it will stay like that once it hardens. I think that's pretty good. Of course, you can always go back, add more. Adorable. Let's set that one outside. Okay, look how cute these are. Everything's set up really well. Quick and easy. I kind of wish there was two dinosaurs, or like a dinosaur in a different shape that you can hold these, but they do stand up by themselves, so that's awesome. If I had to give them a 1 to 10 rating, I think I would go 9 because it's cute, it's very realistic, and it was super easy to do. I feel like you can't really mess this one up. But yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite from the Diner series? And stay tuned because I will be doing all of them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.